The Draft Commander has two 6-inch powder-coated heavy-duty aluminum draft tubes that swivel 360 degrees. This allows you to set the apparatus on either side or at the rear, reducing setup time and making vehicle placement a breeze. A wraparound aluminum rail is provided to help support the suction hose when drafting. The Draft Commander has two heavy-duty, powder-coated aluminum inlet manifolds. Each manifold has three 2.5-inch inlets, one 5-inch inlet with a Stores adapter, and a 2.5-inch NST reducer. This allows the use of 5-inch large diameter hose with Stores fittings. The Draft Commander comes with 5 50-foot sections of 3-inch hose. You can perform pump tests on smaller pumps of 500 to 1500 GPM using one manifold, or use both for 2000 GPM or larger pumps. The choice is yours. Water flow is measured at the flow stations with pedometers and is provided with tips ranging from 1 inch to 2.5 inches. We have designed special water flow receiving tubes in each pedo station to reduce water spillage and waste. The pedo reading is then transferred through hoses to the portable pump test monitor. The monitor is completely portable and will extend for top mount pump stations. The portable pump test monitor houses the master pump pressure gauge, the master suction gauge, and the right and left pedo gauges. We have taken the guesswork out of pump testing by providing a complete and in-depth instruction chart on the face of the monitor station that assists you with the correct hose layout, tip sizes, and flow ranges for each phase of the test. A smooth bore conversion chart is provided on the rear face of the test monitor for additional information. The monitor is held in place by a specially designed mounting station for longevity and for easy setup. All pedo and gauge hoses are provided with quick connect couplings. As you can see during this video, we are flowing 2,000 gallons per minute from draft using both inlet manifolds. Because the Draft Commander has dual suction swivels, dual pedo stations, dual inlet manifolds, and a portable test monitor that can be set anywhere, you are afforded a much safer work zone. Your suction and discharge hoses are not all in one area, thereby reducing the chances of injury due to tripping over the hoses. With the Draft Commander, you can even perform a pump test on 2 trucks at the same time. In this scene, each truck is flowing 1,500 gallons per minute for a total water flow of 3,000 gallons per minute. What really makes the Draft Commander 3000 work is the specially designed anti-cavitation, multi-baffling, and de-aeration system that removes all water cavitations. The water is drafted through the test pit design compartments at the rear of the apparatus and is reintroduced at the forward portion of the tank. When the water re-enters the tank, it is moving at a high rate of speed. As the water is pulled through the baffling system, all cavitations are eliminated and air is dissipated to the atmosphere before it reaches the drafting pit. As the water is pulled through the baffling system, all cavitations are eliminated and air is dissipated to the atmosphere before it reaches the drafting pit. Anti-swirl plates are located in each draft pit to eliminate water swirl. This creates a very smooth and efficient water flow into the draft tubes. The Draft Commander 3000 AT comes equipped with everything you need to perform tests and training exercises. All you do is park the transporter, drop the jacks, connect to a hydrant or tanker, and fill the tank while you are hooking up the apparatus to the Draft Commander. Setup is safe, simple, and convenient. Think about it. Now you can perform pump tests and training exercises at your station. Conserve water, lower your ISO ratings using clean, clear, and cool water from Draft. Often copied, never equaled. The Draft Commander is not a prototype or a simulator. This is the real thing, and it works. Here are some additional advantages of the Draft Commander. requires use of your primer to draft or lift water from the reservoir. Drafting or lifting requires additional horsepower from your engine and powertrain. The Draft Commander is not a flooded suction pump tester. Cools water naturally. No pumps, fans, or gimmicks. No power generators or other power sources are necessary. Accuracy and reliability is provided with tried and true pitot readings, calibrated gauges, and smooth bore tips. Field tested for 5 years before introducing to the fire service. Thousands of pump tests have been performed with the Draft Commander over the last 8 years. You can pump test 2 apparatus at the same time. Weiss Fire and Safety can also provide you with a host of financing options. Here's a partial list of Draft Commander 3000 users. For more information, contact Weiss Fire and Safety about the Draft Commander 3000 AT.